Kalendi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga Kalendi is the continuation of our Ilocos tour. Ito na ang ating part 2 ng Ilocandia Familiarization Tour. At kasama pa din natin ang students and professors of Southern Philippines Institute of Science and Technology, IMUS, Cavite. And as of the moment, tayo ay nandito pa din sa Arinaya Beach Resort, located here in Pagudpod, Ilocos Norte. Let's go! Muna, dagat! At talaga namang nakaka-relax. Crystal clear blue water ng dagat, plus white sand, magandang nature view, at bright sunlight. Chillax! And for our next destination is Cardom's Wine Distillery, located in Adams, Ilocos Norte. Walwalan na! Ang daming pagpipilian, ang daming choices. Talagang nag-heart-heart ang aking mga mata. Truly a place for wasalak. Walang sawa sa alak. And right now, we are here in Patapat Bridge or Patapat Viaduct, the most scenic and photograph destination in Ilocos Norte, dahil sa fascinating view of Pasaling Bay and scenic mountain view on the other side. Ito ay may taas na 102 feet above sea level at may haba na 1.3 kilometers. It was constructed by the Hanil Development Corporation Ltd. under the DPWH, the fourth longest bridge in the Philippines.
Lakbay Marikit Travel and Tour. 1, 2, 3, go!
At syempre, hindi pwede mawala ang moment ng inyong Kalendi. O diba, may papauti lips pa, oh. And of course, kailangan din na may picture sa Arko ng Pagudpod. And now, we are in Bangi Windmills, isa rin sa mga destinations na dinarayo here in Ilocos Norte. The purpose of Bangi Windmills or Bangi Wind Farm is to generate renewable electricity from wind, which supplies a significant portion of Ilocos Norte's power needs and reduce reliance on fossil fuels.
Magkano international?
Vlog. Pa-video to, no? Ano nga lang?
Vlog!
And it's dinner time! Bukod sa dinner is an event. Kaya lang di na natin na-videohan dahil maaga na lowbat at na battery empty ang aking camera. Sorry naman. This event is a tradition of SPIST every year na may fashionista night sila. Mr. and Miss at mutya ng ikatlong lahi every tour destination. At ito na ang third day. Siyempre, di mawawala ang lecture or seminar every educational familiarization tour. It is all about the province of Ilocos and of course, about managing the hotel. Course related sa mga HM students. And welcome to Batak, a component city of Ilocos Norte. At dito natin matatagpuan ang museo ng former President Marcos. ang Ferdinand E. Marcos Presidential Center. This museum used to be the ancestral home of the Marcoses. The museum shows memorabilia of the late president, from his stint in the armed forces down to his presidency. At isa sa interesadong parte ng museum is the collection na kung saan makikita natin ang 11 araw ng panunuyo o panliligaw ni President Marcos sa former First Lady na si Imelda Marcos. Dito rin dating makikita ang katawan o labi ni President Marcos bago ito tuluyang mailipat sa libingan ng mga bayani noong November 18, 2016 sa pag-aproba ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Next destination, the San Agustin Church, also known as Poway Church. Ang simbahan ng Poway or San Agustin ay diniklara na National Cultural Treasure noong 1973 by the Philippine government at UNESCO World Heritage Site noong 1993 under the collective group of Baroque Churches of the Philippines. From Poway Church to Malacanang of the North, the official residence of former President Ferdinand Marcos during his visit to the province. Kaya lang sarado na nung kami ay dumating, kaya kumain na lang kami ng empanada. Traditionally, ang laman ng empanadang Ilocos ay papaya, toge, bigan longganisa, at itlog. At siguradong magugustuhan nyo lalo't isasawsaw sa sukang Ilocos. Next stop, Bacara Church, officially known as St. Andrew the Apostle Parish. The church and its domeless belfry have been declared a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines and National Cultural Treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines. And it's dinner time here in Amici Resort and Hotel. Last night, kaya dapat bongga at super sarap ng pagkain. Halaman pala siya, akala ko duyan. Ito na nga po ang aming boss. Magbabayad na siya.
Ano pag i-receive mo? Pangalan?
Ay, ito pala. Ano pala? It's our 4th day, our last day here in Ilocos. And now, we are here in Lawag City, Sand Dunes, for our 4x4 ride and sandboarding. Lawag City is most famous for its sand dunes. The sand dunes is one of the most visited tourist spots in Lawag. This area is estimated to be 85 square kilometers long coastal beach and desert area. It is also called the Desert of the North because of its popularity when it comes to shooting locations for famous films both inside and outside the country. The Ilocos Norte Sand Dunes was identified as one of the National Geological Monuments or significant geological formations in the Philippines by the National Committee on Geological Science on November 26, 1993. A marker erected by the NCGS or National Committee on Geological Science gives recognition to the uniqueness of the desert environment in the Philippines and its scientific and educational value. Stop over for picture taking and pahinga na rin sa pagsigaw at pagkaalog sa ride. sandboarding!
Sige kuya, ginunatutuan ako.
Shout out po.
And that's it for today's video mga kalendi. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa part 2 ng ating Ilocandia familiarization tour. So everyone mga kalendi, please like and share this video. And please comment na rin para maganda ang ating bandingan. At sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify ko kayo on my next vlog. So everyone mga kalendi, this is Eloy. Bye-bye!